Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Super.
Song चाहिए
Yeah.
I don't know exactly the lyrics because it's in Kannada, so I will try to sing one line. Selfie beko andare sunandan nandan. Sorry for
Nice. Wow. Super. ऑन डायलॉग हो जाए जेम्स बॉन्ड का। राजू भाई एक जेम्स बॉन्ड का डायलॉग बोला, एक डायलॉग मार दे। एनी डायलॉग जेम्स बॉन्ड का लाउडली।
एक माइक करे माइक करे
My name is Bond, Raju James Bond.
एंड यू मैम मृदुला जी। अरे ठीक है, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Everything we plan accordingly. And from Mumbai we have Charan sir. Please come sir. And Rajiv. Say they both are our Mumbai counterpart. So I use this stage to thank them. Thank you.
कम क्लोज क्लोज सेंटर लुक प्लीज।
So we have the our song lyric writer. Please come on stage. He has written all the 4 songs for us.
क्या बात है। एवरीवन सेंटर लुक।
Thank you.
Dilip sir or Raj Kapoor sir, how proud are you to share the screen name, and what is that you are what is that you're carrying away back home from Bollywood?
Thank you so much of our company that was Legends, because Raju is very lucky name actually. Raju only Raja, because first movie only first rank Raju in that movie has become so hit. After that everyone calling in Karnataka Raju only. So many people doesn't know my name only, Guru Nandan. Everyone calls Raju only. Everyone are recognizing only Raju only. So Raju is very lucky name for me. Thank you.
And from Bollywood, what is that you carry back home?
With blessings. Thank you. Thank you.
Can we request you to all to stand for a picture?
थैंक यू, खड़े हो जाओ।
Before winding up, we वो stage में हम लोग दिख रहे हैं, so it is evident that we are part of this thing. But behind the camera, we have Mr. Naidu sir, our
I just
executive
request
आइए, आइए,
you
नाइडू आइए।
Yeah.
come over here
And
for
Mr.
the group
Darshan.
photo.
जाइए, जाइए, ग्रुप में
They both
जाइए।
are very
Okay.
they both are very backbone, very strong backbone of our
ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर जाइए।
our film to happen. And Chengappa, please to come. So even these 3 people's effort is among us, and because of them, उस समय में वो था, I was so serious about that film to remake in Kannada. But after that, it didn't happen and it went away.
There's another question. It is generalized. Anyone can answer that. We have seen Telugu industry doing very good. We have seen lots of movie doing wonders. हिंदी में डेब्यू होने के बाद भी, या फिर ओवरऑल बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. So what the Kannada industry is doing? We saw KGF, we saw Kantara. Next what? What are your motives?
James Bond.
क्या vision है मिली फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का?
यस।
देखिए भाई, हम किसी दूसरे सिनेमा को देख के ऐसा नहीं है। हम क्या है कि हमारा सिनेमा फॉर एवरी पर्सन, फॉर एवरी प्रोड्यूसर, फॉर एवरी डायरेक्टर, एक्टर, देयर मूवी इज बिग, ग्रेट फॉर देम. फॉर अस आवर मूवी इज बिग, very big. So we want the movie to reach to the height. So हम सबका dream है वो, बस.
Thank you so much.
You welcome, sir.
थैंक यू
No questions anyone?
थैंक यू
अभी आप लोगों ने जस्ट शिवन्ना सर का नाम लिया, जेम्स बॉन्ड का जब नाम आया तो
Sorry, sir. उसके साथ sir father का, father.
Yeah, I got it. So is there plan to work with Shivanna sir?
Director or producers?
Director सबको बोलता हूँ.
Yeah, of course. So it's like household name. Like if you ask any director in Kannada, nowadays if you ask any Tamil directors also, they say Shivanna's name. So even of course in South.
Dancing is for me worship, and when I heard about this item song, when I got this song, I was like, okay, चलो जाके देखते क्या करना है. When I heard this song and when I saw the moment, the hook step, actually you should see the hook step. It is so amazing. When I got the whole song, all the 2 days when we showed the song for night shooting, while the going for the 3rd day, I literally had tears in my eye. I was like, I love the song. Please let me know whenever it will be released. So I was so happy to work with Kumar sir, Kiran sir, Deepak sir, and the choreographer. They have actually directed such a well and choreographed such a well the song, and I love it. Thank you so much.
बट आपको नहीं लगता कि अब शायद समय आ गया है कि हमें, क्योंकि ये सुनने में बड़ा लाइक पर्सनली इफ यू आस्क मी, आई डोंट लाइक द वर्ड आइटम, और इट शुड बी जस्ट सॉन्ग, या उस हिसाब से या
No,
उस
I
पे आप
don't
क्या
think so. ये सबके देखने का अलग-अलग नजरिया होता है. Okay, so performer and an actress is different. The performer, she is also an actress. It's just that she is doing a item song. So item song is not a bad thing. कि मतलब पूरे मूवी में एक सॉन्ग ही वो होता है जो पूरी मूवी की जान बढ़ा देता है. आपने सबसे हमारे फेमस इंडिया में सबसे हिट कौन है? नोरा फतेही जी. शी इज सो अमेजिंग. सो उनके लिए शी हैव डन सो मेनी आइटम सॉन्ग. तो उनके लिए ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कोई कि ये आइटम सॉन्ग क्यों कर रहे हैं. So for me, I have done many item songs in Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Bollywood. But in the Kannada, I get this my 3rd song, and I am always looking forward for the item song. मुझे especially lead से ज़्यादा मुझे ना song करने में अच्छा लगता है. It's like kick मिलती है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
Firstly, नाम है राजू जेम्स बॉन्ड. So starting with the director, I'm sure you might be a fan of James Bond as well, but who according to you has played the best Bond character ever?
So there is no one else than Dr. Rajkumar. So back in Karnataka, he was the one who played the James Bond first time. So even I'm not inspired from any that Hollywood like Pierce Brosnan or the recent Bond actor. So we are so inspired from our own James Bond, like Sir Dr. Rajkumar.
So then, like, why name your film have James Bond in your title then?
Now that you have to watch the film, why it is James Bond. Now if I tell no, that curiosity will be revealed.
So will the young cast, would they like to talk about their favorite James Bond?
There's definitely no other person than our great Annaur. We all love Rupali, and with all respect we call him Annaur. Annaur means bade guy. So he is Dr. Rajkumar sir. So he is the best, and he will be the one and only James Bond for all of us. And that would be probably, I think, inshallah, I think all answers are right. Yeah. It's all the same. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. And actually my question for you is,
On a chair, simply the whole 4 minutes it is like that foot tapping and that dance number. So she has pulled it off very nicely, very nice. Akshata, like you have to watch it actually. It is full of energy.
I really want to watch
Yeah, it has full of energy, that song. So and we are going to release the trailer as well. So one by one we are gonna meet oftenly. So February 14th is our cinema release. We are releasing parallelly in Kannada and Hindi as well on February 14th. And this song is gonna release on 11th morning in Kannada and in Hindi as well. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can. And one second, before that, Akshata will have a few words about our film and team.
Namaste everyone, thank you so much for coming. I'm very, very, very grateful to be on this song, and I really like this song and the song energy. Of course, I have put so much energy and so much goodness of the song, but song, if you hear the song, it is amazing. You can't sit on chair and just listen the song. You have to dance on this song. It's something like that. And I was really Kumar sir, Kiran sir, the hero and the heroine. We had a great time while we are shooting. We shot, where we shot exactly? I forgot. Sandur in Canada. It was amazing. The location was nice. We had a night shooting for 3 days. It was amazing, and I'm really looking forward to see this song. Thank you everyone.
So now,
Thank you so much.
now we are opening the house for question answers, and we all welcome you to Bombay.
So, good evening everyone, and thanks for coming. First of all, Happy New Year to all. This is the only drawback of speaking at the last, because there won't be any left thing to speak. मैंने समझा कि प्रोड्यूसर सर ने वो अक्षता के बारे में छोड़ दिया, लाइक मैं बात करूँगा, वो भी बात करेगा, और फिर राजू को पकड़ा, राजू के बारे में मैं बात करूँगा, सर ने वो भी मेमोरी करके राजू के बारे में भी बात कर दिया. सो रियली आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू स्पीक नाउ. सो पहले कमिंग टू द डब्ड वर्जन, सी we dubbed in like April, May, I guess, here in Bombay में. वो हमारा राजू है ना, वो हीरो का संकेत मात्रे ने वॉइस दिया, वॉइस ओवर. तो संकेत मात्रे वो gives like for Tamil Dalpati Vijay and Allu Arjun. So he gave the voice to Raju character. He has done a fabulous job. The entire movie he's done a really fabulous job. And the villain, the Shahbaz Khan, the senior artist of Bollywood, the veteran actor, he gave the voice to the villain. So for that entire process, Mr. राजू ने बहुत हेल्प किया हमको, वो स्क्रिप्ट करने में और वो वॉइस को ट्रांसलेशन करने में और डबिंग आर्टिस्ट को अरेंज करने में. सो थैंक यू राजू, इट वॉज ए वेरी नाइस वर्किंग विथ यू. और मुझको ये बॉम्बे एक थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिया मोमेंट है, लाइक फिल्म के हिसाब से. 2008 में मैं सुनील शेट्टी के पॉपकॉर्न मोशन पिक्चर्स में असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर था एक प्रोजेक्ट में. उसके बाद मैं बैंगलोर वापस चला गया. सो आफ्टर 16 ईयर्स अगेन फिल्म के सिलसिले में मैं डायरेक्टर बन के बॉम्बे में आना पड़ा. सो आई होप द बॉम्बे वेलकम्स मी इन ए गुड वे थ्रू दिस राजू जेम्स बॉन्ड. So it was very overwhelming listening to your like cheering for motion poster. Thanks for that. बहुत अच्छा लगा वो सुन के पीछे से वो आवाज़. So we feel so good, like what you say, like for the art people, the cheering, the claps, the sound, that only makes us so good about it. And producers के बारे में बात किया तो
Not be branded as one language movie. ये हम ऐसा नहीं ब्रांड कर सकता है कि साउथ इंडिया के, इसलिए क्या है कि मेरा मंजुनाथ ने मेरा दोस्त को क्या किया कि चलो ये काम करेंगे. हम दूसरे लैंग्वेजेस में तो नहीं, हिंदी में तो ट्राई करेंगे, क्योंकि इट कैन बी टेकन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. ऐसा बॉलीवुड नहीं है मगर नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो बेसिकली इट कैन बी टेकन नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो वो हमने ट्राई कर रहा है, कोशिश कर रहा है. आप सब लोग, मीडिया लोग, थैंक यू सो मच मीडिया दोस्त लोग. आप भाई जो ऐसा है आपका ही, इट्स ओनली रन्स बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल पीपल. आप सब लोग का सपोर्ट चाहिए, प्लीज सपोर्ट करो. और ये सिनेमा हिट होने के बाद हम प्रॉमिस करेंगे अगले बार आएंगे, इधर ही और एक पिक्चर बनाएंगे और इधर से हम साउथ पे जाएंगे.
क्या बात है.
So please support us. And what else? You guys have any questions? Oh, okay, fine then. Thank you.